Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral watermelon feta salad, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, cut half a watermelon into cubes. Next, cut half a red onion into slices. Then chop up 1 cucumber. Finally, roughly chop some fresh basil and fresh mint. Once you finish preparing the ingredients, you can begin making the salad. In a large bowl, add the watermelon you prepared before, one and a half cups of chopped cucumber, the sliced red onions you prepared before, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of mint, 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, the juice from 1 lime, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now mix everything together until well combined. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This salad is refreshing, delicious, and perfect for summer. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!